Oburemezo obumunonga bushanjirwe muri Bukanga North omugomboreza Rugaga, Rushasha hamwe na Kakamba oyihireho amarwariro, amashomero, amaizi n'emishuburo yabo byona nibicumbagira ahabwo butagira amashanyarazi nubwo ebikondo birabe byasimbirwe emyaka 5 enyuma.
Tusaba okukola nga tetulina amashanyarazi abavubuka abafuna emirimu welding naki ndowooza byobadde ova wano oyiseeyo wali mu trading center eyo trading center we wali ne headquarters eGombolola
Tosha bulimo kwakuchubwira bwinja bakazi bazara n'ekiro so twatine lights tukolesa za tochi
abukubitwa we cannot add any value addition on our products twatine amashanyarazi nabwo cyo kutwakutunga amashanyarazi honorable minister nikimanyisa ngo nayitwe kayongeraho value addition aha products zaitu aha mate aha bituru producinga byona.
Minister gambira abantu b'ebicweka ngo buhereza bwinjo bari kwetenga nibija kubutunga mpora
tutunulira social facilities ngabwe mungambye amazi bagali tuzaako tuyina amasanyalazi tuyina ekyuma ekinyogoza amali tekina amasanyalazi ebyo bye tunulira omuluka mugombolola eyo ogunaabeeramu ebintu ebyo gwe tuteekako essira okusooka.
Abantu bahabwirwa okuteekeraho amashanyarazi g'abagizire hamwe na za gas okurinda amagara gabo.
Ekyetengo ky'amashanyarazi kikiri kihango munonga mu district eyisinjo kandi government koko bire yatukwatireho amagomborora gamwe omu program yo kwisa amashanyarazi amagombora amizi gayisirweho Rushasha Rugaga we tuli wano ne Kakamba omunga temuli masanyarazi. Police ya government etugamba buli sub county erina okugenda kamasanyalazi.
Omugandi abatura hamwe n'abashubuza ha boda ya Uganda na Congo mutawuni ya Mpondwe omutawuni kanso ya Mpondwe Rubiriha bino okutina ngo babasa kukwatwa endwara ezirikureetwa oburofa ahabwa ekinuuko ekirikuruga omu kasasiro mutawuni egi.
Kati obweraliikirivu wewe buli wakuba nti kano kayinza okuleeta endwadde n'osanga abantu nga bakwatiddwa wano endwadde nnyingi.
Kasasiro kano aka buli lunaku abaana baffe tulwadde abantu bali kudukana.
Sylvester Mapozo meya wa Mpondwe Rubiriha Town Council we nagira ngo enkora ya government yaresera omu kushoroza omushoro nebateganisa.
System that government has introduced is IRAS, and after collecting this money we send the money to the central bank, that's Bank of Uganda, which transfers it back to us. The month's collection comes in the following month on the 15th around that time.
Moses Mugisho Town Kraka wa Mpondwe Rubiriha Town Council nagira ngo kuyora kasasiro mu town egi kibaberire kizubu.
Collection and disposal in this town council is a bit challenging because like you've seen we have so many trucks that come in, trucks bringing merchandise, goods. They offload from here and at the end of the day they leave a lot of garbage on our streets.
Mugisha nayongeragera mu kanso yahereze kuba nehinguze kiragire kirabe nikizebera abo bona abari kunagerera iyo kasasiro mu town council egi.
We are going to get a service provider who is going to bring vehicles and trucks that will move around households around and pay for that garbage. We hope that is going to solve this problem.
Amakora gagasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya na Gilbert Muhanguzi.